Have you ever felt stuck or unsure of how you can start turning your goals and your big dreams into reality? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start setting meaningful goals and how you can actually start achieving them so that you can start thriving in life after 40 and beyond. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to me here, my name is Yashika Turner, and I appreciate you for stopping by and hitting this channel. And if you're oldie but goodie, welcome back because we're doing a series for women 40 and over of thriving. We know we're getting closer to the end of 2024, and you might be feeling stuck, you might be feeling defeated because you haven't achieved all these big goals, these big dreams, or you might even still not sure what you really want to achieve in life. So that's why I'm doing this series of videos to help you to get prepared for 2025 to hit the ground running. So if you haven't seen the other 3 videos that I did, I'll put them somewhere up here so you can go ahead and check them out. But in today's video, we will be discussing how you can actually start achieving these goals. Now, goal setting is not just only just writing down goals, it's actually setting the plan for your life. What do you want to achieve in your life? And just taking baby steps of how you can get there. It's like a roadmap. You know, you're going on a trip, right? And you're not just going to pick up yourself and go. You're going to plan step by step the things you need to get to that trip, how you're going to get there, if you need a visa, whatever you need for that trip, if you're going to drive, if you're going to fly, I'm sure that you're going to get yourself prepared. So picture your life and picture your goals in this way. So why goal setting really matters? Because it gives us motivation and direction for our lives, right? We know that it can be so overwhelming to set goals, but you have to set specific goals for where you are right now in life. We know we're in the midlife era. We're approaching 40s, or we're in the 40s. I know that's the majority of women who are watching this channel. So you have to remember that you are setting goals for where you are at right now in life. We are not in the 20s anymore. We're not in the 30s anymore. You might be still in the late 30s, but right now we're 40 and up and beyond, right? So we have to look at our health, our lifestyle, maybe pre-retirement. What are some of the goals that you want to achieve right now in this stage in life? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's look at how you can start setting some SMART goals, which is the secret weapon. Have you heard of SMART goal setting before? Okay, let me break it down for you. So, S is for specific. What are some specific goals that you want to achieve? You don't want to say, oh, I want to be healthy. No, you want to be more specific. I want to lose 20 pounds in 3 months' time. So, that's how specific you want to create your goals. You want to retire at the age of 50, right? So those are how you're going to look at your goals, very specific. And then you want to make sure that these goals are measurable. Can you measure them? So for example, with the weight loss goal that you made, can you measure where you were and where you want to be, right? So it's looking at where you are right now and where you want to be and measuring. You know, you're taking your weight right now. At the end of 3 months, you can measure it to see if you are successful in losing that 20 pounds at the end of 3 months. And is this goal really achievable? Yes, that's what A is for. Can you really achieve this goal? Are you in a position to achieve this goal? Yes, I think if you want to lose 20 pounds within the next 3 months, is that achievable? Or is losing 10 pounds or 5 pounds even more achievable? So you have to look at what works for you and the lifestyle that you're in right now. And the next one is this goal really realistic, right? Can you really put everything in to lose 20 pounds, right? Is it realistic right now? Can you do that with everything else that you have going on in your life right now? So you want it to be realistic. And lastly, time bound. You have to be specific with the time so that you can measure it at the end of your goal, at the end of that 3-month period. Another example, if your goal is to improve your clarity, to get clear, get unstuck on what you really want in life, you can create a goal plan like this, setting 10 minutes each day for the end of the year, for the next, we're in November right now, for the next 30 days. Set 10 minutes each day to journal, write down, brainstorm, assess your life. In my previous video, I spoke about how you can assess your life with a holistic approach. So you can check out that video. I'll leave it somewhere up here. So you can start assessing your life. Take 10 minutes out of your time to get clear on what you really want so that you can start working on this goal. You're ready to hit the ground running by 2025. Does that make sense? Let me know in the comments. And before we move on to the next step, if you're enjoying this video, I would like for you to hit the like button. This tells me that you're enjoying the video, and it also helps other women to see these videos. So go ahead and hit the like button. And if you haven't yet joined the family of thriving women, I invite you to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you will see when the next video in this series drops. Now, the next step we're going to do is to break down these big goals, these big dreams into small bite-sized pieces, and then you're going to celebrate each step of the way. Yes, I know some goals can be really scary. Example, like switching careers. I'm in a dual career situation right now because I'm preparing for retirement. And as a nurse with 20 years experience, assessing my life, I was like, okay, do I really want to do nursing for the next 20 years? Or do I want to explore another career where I have that freedom and independence? So then I had to break down my goals, and I had to assess my life. I had to identify the roadblocks and all the other things that I spoke about in the last 3 videos so that I could achieve this goal of being a licensed real estate agent, right? And I will be also taking some more baby steps as I go ahead because the plan is to retire early from nursing. So you can break down those goals because when we look at it in this big picture, it can be so overwhelming. For example, for you, if your goal is to start a side hustle to create additional streams of income for you, then the first step for you is to research what is out there, assess what are some skills, gifts, and expertise that you might have so that you can provide a solution to a problem in exchange for money, right? So for example, you want to start a YouTube channel. I know there's a lot of women out there over 40 who are looking to start YouTube channels right now. So you're going to see, what do you want to be? What niche do you want to be? And what are some of the things that aligns? What are some of the things that you're good at, the things that you want to share, your stories, your experience, your skills, and all that stuff? Once you identify what you really want to do, then there is the opportunity for you to celebrate yourself because you have achieved that one goal of doing the research and really getting clear on what you want. Then you can write down the other steps involved in that big goal, and you celebrate as you go along each way, right? Got it? Let me know in the comments. Now, lastly, with this big goal setting, and to really achieve these goals, you have to stay accountable and you have to adapt to some of the lifestyle changes that you will be making in order to achieve these goals. Now, how do you become accountable for these goals that you want to achieve? Share them with a friend, share them on your social media platform, have an accountability partner where you can share your goals your goals for this week, your goal for this quarter, your goals for 2025, and you collaborate and you share experiences. If you are looking into further accountability, then let me know in the comment. I'm thinking of starting up something. I'm not sure as yet. I want to see first how many people would be interested in some accountability group, and then I will go from there. So if this video made any sense to you, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Oh, I forgot. I've created a Thrive Now guide just for you. So if you're still struggling and if you're still feeling stuck, not sure how to go ahead and how to start assessing and getting clear how to be accountable and all these different steps to thriving after 40, then go ahead and download it. I'll leave it right up here, and you can start thriving instead of staying in survival mode for 2025. Thank you so much for sticking to the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.